Hey, what up, decisive marketers? It's time to collect money, right? If you don't collect money, you're not going to, make money in your business at all. So, in today's tool, we're going to be talking about a subscription building tool, or subscription invoicing tool right here. And this tool allows you to create a, subscription plans that your customers can pay for, and you would invoice them and charge them and collect money from them on a fixed frequency that you set. And this tool is very simple to use, I would say. And they also have affiliate as well, so you can actually create affiliates. You can actually create affiliate roles for your users so that they can actually promote your plans and benefit from making money with you. So this tool is called Billforward. And before we get started on Billforward, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more digital marketing and e-commerce content. So here we are in Billforward, okay? And the first thing that you would want to do is go into plans and create a plan, right? So I have created something right here, and I'm gonna jump in right now. So with this plan, okay, so what you have to do is to set your path. I feel that they could find a better way to name this path, right? So they could call it like category and then plan name, something like that. So they choose to use this path thing, which I don't, it can be very confusing to people, like what is this, I think that there is a better way for them to do it. Next is the public name, so this is what appears to your customers, and then the description and how often do you want to invoice them, right? So you can choose by minutes, days, months, or years, and this is where you put in the invoice lines, right? So so they are getting this product over here, and this is the description, and you can put in the pricing, whether it's a flat fee, a tiered fee, or volume discount as well, right? So you can actually set like volume discount. If they purchase a certain amount, they get discounted prices. Tiered pricing, you can set that up as well. And the cost, alright, I'm gonna put like $99 here, okay. And unique item is purchased in one, right? So the default quantity is one, and we can save plan here, okay. So the next thing is that they have additional options which are very interesting here. So the first one would be what happens when when you try to build them and it is failed, right? So the billing is failed. So what you can do is that you can set to do nothing. So what happens is that the subscription will then be able to continue. The other way is to cancel the subscription, so this will automatically cancel the subscription, right? And then trial period, right? So maybe the first 14 days you're not going to charge them anything. Then the payment terms, when should they be making money, be paying you the money? So probably they have to pay within 14 days, right? So you can set that up. Then tax, is the pricing inclusive of tax or exclusive of tax? Then okay, so one thing really cool over here is that they also have a fixed term. So what this is a payment plan, right? So you can actually charge them $1,000. You can charge people like $300 over 3 months, and after that it will be cancelled, right? So next is migration over payment. So if your customers overpay you money, right? So they, for example, it's $99, they pay you $150, so that's $51 in excess. You can have it in a credit, right? So then it will be deducted in the next billing. Then they just need to pay the difference, or no charge, right? So then they don't actually you don't actually return any money to the customers here, right? So likely you're gonna be using credit account. And invoicing, when are you going to charge them money? It's immediate, delay, or manual, right? So and then that's pretty much all with Billforward when it comes to creating a new plan. So we're gonna jump back in here. So once your plan is created, pretty much that's about it, right? You can start sharing it out and getting paid for it, and then you can create coupons as well. So this, you can put a coupon code. What is the name of the coupon code? Is just for you to identify the coupon, and then for which product and the currency, right? And then let's see, right? And then the next thing would be probably to jump into setup. Right here, you can set up your email notifications right here that goes out to your customers, right? You can configure them. You can set up your own SMTP provider. Okay, so if you don't set up anything, it will be sent from Billforward, right? So Billforward will be the one that sends out these emails to your customers, right? And these are all the email notifications that you have sent out, right? And then payment gateways are all in here as well. So these are the ones that are supported by Billforward, right? So you can use Stripe, you can use Square, you can use Molly, you can use Go Cardless, or you can use Shuttle, right? So I guess Shuttle is a payment gateway that supports all these different gateways as well, right? Then payment retry, so you can try to charge your customers again over here, right? If the payment failed, then you can charge them again, right? And this is where you set up taxes, okay? And configuration, let's see. So what is this? Okay, so this normally for what you're selling. Okay, so this is based on the unit of measure, so you can charge people, I guess, based on how much they use, right? So you can charge that as well. Currencies, okay, and you can set up your invoice template right here, and some of the integrations that they have here as well. And if you go into users, you would then be able to add a direct subscription for them, or add contract, add an invoice, add address for them. You can add affiliation so that they can become your affiliate and promote your products for you. You can add credit to them. You can pay them what they are owed for their affiliate, right? And then payment method, request payment method as well. So and pretty much I guess this is Billforward. It's a very simple to set up tool. The only issue that I feel would probably be their integrations, right? So they would probably need to have more integrations, and also for them to probably improve the UI a little bit. I think it's quite basic right now. It could be improved, and I think pretty much that's all for Billforward. The only issue that I find is that with their plans, the plan limits are not very generous at the moment. So there is tier 1 to tier 3. With tier 3 you get you can have up to 25,000 customers and bill up to 25,000 US dollars per month, right? So essentially it's just $10 per customer, so that's actually very little. um, in most cases you are going to be charging more than $10, right? So it doesn't really make much sense for Billforward to use such low limits. So if you see yourself generating more than $25,000 per month, you would then have to upgrade your plan, right? So that's something to consider, and then you will have to pay subscription for that. So that's something to consider, right? So $25,000, it's just about, let's see, it's only $300,000 per year, right? So that's very little. That's small business, I would say, and I think that in our circle here, I'm sure that there are a lot of you who would need more than who would need to bill more than $25,000 per month, and I'm sure your business generates a larger revenue than $300,000 per year. So then Billforward limits are very low. I don't think that it's very suitable for this. Okay, and pretty much that's all in this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, or if you have any comments on how you feel about the Billforward deal, please comment below. And lastly, if you know anyone who could benefit from subscription billing or invoicing tools, be sure to share this video with them, and I'll see you in my next episode. Bye bye.